happy holidays. Welcome to the Divinely Ayahnna channel. I am so happy that you guys joined me today because I am super excited for the holiday season. This holiday season is a little different. It's a little different, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I have so much to be thankful for. Unfortunately, I am not going to be with my extended family on Christmas Day because I have to work. But at the same time, I get to spend it with my children and my husband, which I am grateful for because there was a Christmas where I was without him and Movavi wasn't born yet. But it's all good because we are just going to have a good time with just the four of us. We're going to spend Kwanzaa with my family in Philadelphia and of course New Year's Day. As we close on the end of 2018, I want to thank all 400 of you guys for being subscribed to my channel, for leaving comments, and for sharing my posts on Instagram or Facebook. I absolutely have come a long way with this journey. My consistency has been bloop, 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 like a roller coaster because of my lifestyle. But I am just so appreciative for 2018 for having all 400 of y'all in my corner, backing me up, letting me know like, girl, we got you. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, being interested in the topics that I present. I am so ready for 2019. I have some content lined up, ready to bring forth to you guys that I think would interest you. If there's anything else you would like to see, definitely don't be shy and let me know. Peace, love, and be divine.